After the mapping mission or oblique photography mission is completed, users can start modeling with DJI Terra's Reconstruction Function. 3D models with different degrees of precision can be created. In this video, we will show you how to use DJI Terra for 3D reconstruction. Create a new oblique photography mission. Edit the mission name and then save. Click on Map to enter the reconstruction interface. Click Add Photo. Choose and add the images captured by the DJI aircraft. After the images have been added, DJI Terra's map will show the position of each picture. Click on the right arrow to open the picture list. Double-click on the picture name to preview the picture. Click Manage to choose and delete photos. Choose a resolution. Note that increasing the resolution will increase reconstruction time. If choosing None in other model formats, only 2 models in Ply and B3DM formats will be generated. If choosing OSGB in other model formats, the model in OSGB format will be generated as well. After all parameters are set, click Start Reconstruction. Wait until the 3D model reconstruction is complete. After the reconstruction is finished, users can check, zoom into and out of, and move the model by holding down the left-click button of the mouse and dragging. In addition, users can rotate the model, press and hold the scroll wheel, then drag the scroll wheel accordingly, or hold the control key, then hold the right click of the mouse and drag. After clicking on Annotation and Measurement, users can measure the reconstructed model's coordinates, distance, area, and volume. Select the coordinate icon and click any position on the model to measure the position's GPS coordinates and altitude. Click on the distance icon and click any 2 positions on the model to measure their spatial distance. Click on the area icon and choose any points on the model to form a surface or a polyhedron to measure the surface's area or the polyhedron's vertically projected area. Click on the volume icon and choose any points on the model to form a base plane to measure the cut volume and fill volume between the plane and the model. If the Show Camera Pose option is enabled, the shooting position and shooting angle of every picture will be displayed. Click any position on the model to check the original HD pictures that have been captured in that position. In addition, users can export the quality report to learn the model's reconstruction quality. The reconstructed 3D model can be imported to a waypoint mission. With the assistance of the simulated image transmission window, users can set up each waypoint's aircraft nose direction or gimbal camera angle to plan for the 3D waypoint mission.